This is a family farm near Ruth, Michigan, growing thousands of acres of sugar beets. A Grimm Rec 6630 self-propelled beet harvester is rapidly harvesting in the field, creating a spectacular scene. The Rec 630 is a sugar beet harvester made by Germany's Grimme Group, equipped with a Mercedes 15.6-liter 6-cylinder engine, delivering up to 6 horsepower. The power is very strong, and during harvesting, the machine just makes one pass. The front defoliator removes leaves, cuts the tops, pulls the beets from the soil, and shakes off large clumps of dirt. The beets are then transported via internal conveyor belts to large bags. The entire harvesting process is seamless, with the large hopper holding up to 30 tons. Once the large hopper is full, it is conveyed to a transport truck and then taken to a nearby factory to be processed into sugar. The efficiency is very high. It's understood that this harvesting method can cover 30 acres in an hour. Moreover, the harvested beets are not only well preserved, but the soil and leaves are mostly removed. So, what do you think of this harvesting method? Would you buy this machine?